Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use HTTP proxies inside Safari on macOS. First, go to your proxies by clicking Dedicated or Shared under HTTP proxies. Then, click on My Dedicated Proxies. Here you can find your proxy list, IP port, date expiry location, and more. In the right sidebar, you will find your proxy credentials, user and password, and authentication IPs. For now, I will use user and password authentication. If you want to know more, check the description. Now, let's set up the proxy. Go to Safari Preferences, select Advanced, and at Proxies, select Change Settings. Check Web Proxy, write the IP and port of your proxy. Also check Proxy Server requires password and write the proxy username and password. In the left side, check Secure Web Proxy and do the same thing as previous. After that, click on OK and afterwards Apply. Now, go to your browser and check your IP. That's it! Now your Safari browser is using an HTTP proxy. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.